Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off caps lock on-screen notification for Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first fix here, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down toggle keys. Okay, click on toggle keys right here, which is a system setting. Go ahead and make sure that this one is turned off, and then once that's done, check if it helps. If that will work, go ahead and open up either Logitech G Hub or MSI Center. Open it up, go ahead and find your device, and then once you've found your keyboard specifically, go ahead over to this specific page and then untick a lock key is pressed. Okay, disable it. Also disable keys right here, untick all or disable all. Now for MSI Center, big thanks to this guy right here, Technical2733. Well, you can go ahead and pause the video and follow simple prompts or instruction from here. We have option A, option B, or option C. Just pick whatever you want or the easiest that you can change, okay? Open MSI Center, look for settings, general settings and features. Disable anything linked like OSD, hotkey, caps, or num, or lock key indicator. Okay? If you want to follow option B, again, just pause the video and follow it, all right? And that's how you turn off caps lock notification or on-screen notification in Windows 11. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.